Hey everyone! I'm so glad you're back on my channel today. I really hope you all have an awesome day. Let's jump right in and create something new and thrilling together, right? Ready for some enjoyable and chill moments? So, get your tools and gear while making something cool. Feeling lonely, or maybe you feel like you're not good enough or just not where you belong? Let me share a story with you that would change your mind. Just listen closely. Let me share with you an incredible story about a lotus seed. A lotus seed does not begin its incredible journey in pristine water. Instead, it initially starts its life in the depths of the darkest, most muddy pond imaginable. These challenging and dirty places where no light can ever reach. Oddly enough, no one could have ever imagined that such a dark and grimy place could yield anything. Adore that is beautiful. However, the lotus does not hold itself back, simply waiting for the mud to clear away. No, it does not wait for the clean water to magically appear. Instead, it simply starts rising. Right there, deep within the muck. Gradually, little by little, a stem starts to emerge. Somewhat like a force of nature, it pushes itself up from the mud, straight into the water. The waves and currents of the water are powerful, constantly tossing and turning the tiny stem. This is its very first challenge. Otherwise, here's a part of the story that many people might never have come across. The mud is not the one stopping the lotus from reaching its full potential. Instead, it is the mud itself that provides it with strength. The lotus is a fantastic example of how beauty can truly rise from the struggle it faces. The mud is the very foundation upon which it can thrive.